Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. Channel's Drive Hike Capture because generally speaking, that's what we like to do here. So today, as you can probably tell by the background noise, we're actually at this waterfall. It's a little north of Dayton area. It's a pretty sizable waterfall that's literally right in this little town. So it shouldn't take too long to get down there, get some pictures, and head on out. We're going to try to hit another waterfall that I've never been to right after this. So let's get down here and get some shots. So we made it to the next waterfall. It was literally like 5 minutes up the road. I'm not too sure what to expect. Like I said, I've never been to this one. I know there's a million no swimming signs, so we're definitely not going into the water. I don't know. We're just gonna have to get down here and check it out and try to make the best out of it. Also, I forgot to mention at the other waterfall, if at any point you like what you see, make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe if you're not already, do all that good stuff that helps me out and helps the channel. And yeah, and if you're feeling extra generous, it's actually a link in the bio where you can, let me lighten this up a little. There's a link in the description where you can actually buy me a coffee for my next trip. That's always appreciated since I probably don't sleep as much as I should before I go on these trips, but oh well. well, that is going to be it for this video. That place was really neat, definitely worth the trip out here. It was a little challenging to get down into the river bed, like the river bed and across it, but you know, doable, and it was totally worth it. That view from the other side is pretty awesome. But yeah, I mean, this place I bet is immaculate during the summer, even though there's 100 no swimming signs. I would bet money people come here to swim. But yeah, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said earlier, if you do, you know, make sure you let me know by either give me a thumbs up, commenting down below. If you're not already subscribed, definitely do that. And I will see you guys next Saturday in the next video. See ya.